shut the fuck up. Is that better? Oh.
Feels like putting it over his ear. He's in the tower. I can't see him in the tower.
They're lying.
No white people.
They're lying down.
No white people.
Yeah, no white people challenge.
That don't make sense.
No, it doesn't.
So yeah, I was playing Fortnite last night, and I came in third spot.
You came in third? Oh, at least that's a medal.
Yeah, no, it is. Actually, it is in Fortnite. It is. Third place is a medal in Fortnite.
And that fourth place is not.
Oh,
It's
we're
bad.
spitting.
I hate
my
this
God.
spinning.
All right, who's getting it?
That's all because of her. We're like, oh no!
Let's go.
Look at the pulse, like no,
It's cold, but it feels good.
I know, right?
Oh crap! Oh. Right in the middle.
Hey, I'm so lucky. Oh, God, that hurt. Oh, you fucking. Oh.
That's a little chilly.
My back. That felt good.
It's a little chilly, but feels good.
Yeah.
Whoa, God!
Anybody want a hug now?
Liliana.
Dude, the water's a little high.
Oh my God.
Yo, the water's like really high.
Oh, look at that.
Hard for the rain last night.
I know, right? So yeah, I love that big crack I had last night.
I had it at work.
You like crack?
Thunder. It was a big thunder crack. It was like 3 in a row and then a big one at the end. Oh. My mom was on her way home from New York when it happened.
Oh my God.
Your mom was funny last night, though.
I like his mom and dad.
Whoa.
Man, it's a lot.
I was ready for that one. Well, it's all because of Nicole. She's not in the right seat.
We have a lot of weight too.
Whoa! Dude, we just tipped out.
And I'm getting it.
And it's gonna be me.
I knew it was gonna hit Bill. Oh, you fucker! Why are you putting your leg up for?
Because I was hoping it would block it.
Oh!
Oh, who's getting the last one? Who's getting it? Not me.
Jonathan. That's right on Jonathan. That's all
Jonathan.
John. Oh!
Whoa!
My mouth is open on that one. COVID.
Oh, shoot. That was funny.
There's a girl. Everybody wait.
Dude, I ended it with a doggy shake.
Oh, we're nice and cool and you guys ain't.
I ended